Alrighty guys, White City G back with another video. I don't know what I did, but I hurt my neck somehow. I tweaked it. That shit actually hurts. So, I mean, I'm still riding though, but I'm gonna be... I'm gonna be going to get some gas right now. And then, yeah, we're gonna get some gas and we're going to a bike meet. The dude was waving. He was like, yeah. I love the reaction this bike gets because the color is so good. I'm gonna get some gas and then head to the bike meet, so I'll get back with you guys once I'm done getting gas. Alright guys, White City G got bit by a motherfucking wasp or a bee or something, or stung, I don't fucking know. I got something flew in my sweater because I had it unzipped a little bit, not on purpose, but today is a fucking day, bro. God damn, bro. I'm not too sure if I'm allergic or not, but we'll fucking find out, I guess. We're gonna head to the bike meet right now, still. That's so fucking annoying. It pisses me off, dude. Way to start the fucking vlog. When I was riding, I felt something fly in my shirt. I didn't know what it was. So I hit it and I think I pissed it off and it fucking stung me or bit me, bro. That's fucking annoying. I'll just make sure I got that stinger out later. Because I think I think I got it out, but I don't fucking know. God, that's so fucking annoying. I got stung. I think I'll be alright, boys, but yeah, I don't know, dude. It's fucked up. Dude, that's so stupid. It's been so long since I've been stung by a fucking bee. Hell a long time. I've been doing hella good. And one flies in my fucking sweater. Shit definitely fucking hurts. It's right on my chest.